Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text color in multiple text boxes in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software, then create your document or open your existing document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change text color in multiple text boxes in this document. At first I have to select some multiple text boxes. Then you can see here are text formatting effects text option. Now simply just click here, then press this text fill option. Now I find my text fill color, then press OK. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I change text color in multiple text boxes very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for